twist the knob on. Twisting, twisting, twisting. There we go. Get the other one in my back pocket. Okay, line this hole up. And twisting on the other side. What do you think of your helper? Yours and Arnie's helper? There's some areas of the farm that I won't let, hey, no climbing on top. Silly goat. No, don't eat the plastic. Okay, I gotta fill the oil here. See the big fill of oil here? Okay. All right. So that's a good starting point anyways. I can peel that plastic back. And there is a backup pull start in the event that my push start this is the push start one, right? Where's the push start? Push start is up here somewhere? Okay. Or do I have to install the push start?